Abatshayeli benkoloyi bayeleliswe bona bangaphula umthetho wendlela. Izaphula umthetho zizokuhlawuliswa namkha zibotshwe. Amapholisa wendlela aphume ngonini endleleni zeMpumalanga avutha amalangabi. Kuhlelwe nokujanyiswa kwenkoloyi endleleni ezisetshenziswa kakhulu njenge N4, iN11, iR40 kunye neN17.
Yourself, some of them are not complying and some are using number plates that are not in terms of the regulations, and the traffic officers have removed them and gave them tickets for that, and some license discs are not up to scratch and they've got some tickets for all those things. Some their licenses have expired.
Leli jima liyabaliya abanye abatshayeli kodwa nabanye bakarekile.
Siyajabula malume masibona amaphoyisa sihamba kahle indlela eziba right.
Yasuka la eWitbank siya Bushbuck Ridge. So la indlela nje traffic i-right kukahle ba driver kahle lebanda endleleni.
Seyithomile imjeje emide enkoloyi endleleni N4 kanti ikhampani yakwa Track N4 ngiye eqinisekisa bona inkoloyi zikhamba kuhle ngaphandle kokuliyeka. Kusazokuthunyelwa namanye amapholisa wendlela ukuzokubeka ilihlo ubusuku nemini.
Gandhi isikhulu samapholisa wendlela eTshwane uLieutenant General Joanna Nkomo uthi umnengi bengozi ezibulala abantu endleleni ngamaholide okuphela komnyaka zibangelwa abatshayeli abahamlileko. Uthi ngomnyaka opheleleko sibe phasi kakhulu isibalo sengozi ezibulala abantu ngenxa yokuthi beqindeliswa amakhambo namahamulo avaliwe. Unkomo ubekhulumana kwethula ngokomthetho ijima lezokuphepha endleleni ngamaholide okuphela komnyaka eCarousel Toll Plaza ku-N1 North Hlangwe Hammanskraal. zi-1448 ingozi ezibulela abantu ezibikwe ngelanga lokuthoma likanobayeni womnyaka opheleleko ukufikela ngoTshirhweni womnyaka lo. Isibalo eso siphasi kunesangomnyaka ongaphambi kopheleleko ebesi-1616. Isikhulu samapholisa wendlela sithi lokho kwenziwa kuvalwa kwamahamulo ngomnyaka opheleleko.
Number level 5 was about you can't buy liquor anyway. I can't overemphasize how much drinking and driving is a problem in terms of our accidents. If we do analysis, 97% of all cases that happens and people lose their life is because one of the drivers was under the influence.
Bewatsho Lieutenant General Nkomo ukuthi bazokusebenzisa ixozululi laphambilini lengozi ukuthumela amapholisa wabo kizo zonke indawo eziyingozi. Isikhulu sezokuphepha komphakathi eTshwane esisandukukhethwa sibe namagama esilemukisa ngawo abatshayeli.
Be vigilant, be rested when you drive. There's an obligation not only on the Metro Police Department and the traffic departments, there's also an obligation on you as users of the road to make sure that you are responsible for what you are doing. It's a partnership.
Isikhulu esithi abatshayeli abaphumule nabadiniweko begodu akusimsebenzi wamapholisa wendlela kwaphela ukuqinisekisa ukuthi isitshaba siyaphepha. Ngalokho uthi abatshayeli nabo kufuze balandele imithetho yendlela ukwenzela ukuphungula ingozi endleleni.